If you want to enhance your Snapchat security by removing old devices, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is secure. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to security. Scroll down the settings menu until you find the security section. Tap on two-factor authentication to manage your security settings. Step 4. Manage devices. In the two-factor authentication section, look for an option that says Manage Devices or Devices. This will show you a list of devices that are currently linked to your account. Step 5. Remove old devices. Review the list of devices and identify any that you no longer use or recognize. Tap on the device you wish to remove and follow the prompts to delete it from your account. By following these steps, you can easily remove old devices from your Snapchat security settings and keep your account safe. Remember to regularly check your security settings to ensure your account remains secure.